Hi guys, my name is Bruno. I'm a developer at Igarape Institute. We are a think tank based in Rio, and we are trying to use technology to make people safer. Early this month, a black man was shot and killed by a white police officer in North Carolina. The official record said that the man attacked the officer. But what this officer didn't know is that another man was passing by and recorded his every move with a mobile phone. And what that video recorded showed us was an unarmed, desperate man and an officer who not only killed him, also manipulated the evidence. After that video, the guy was arrested. This type of event does not happen only in the United States. Far from North Carolina, in Rio actually, where I come from, 7 months ago, those two officers were arrested for arresting and killing a poor black teenager boy. This type of event would usually go unreported, but thanks for the camera inside the vehicle, which apparently they too forgot was recording, they were arrested. Every day we are seeing technology playing an important role in law enforcement. Body-worn cameras are taken off in North America and Europe. There are even studies that show how those body cameras can decrease the number of complaints against police officers or the use of force in operations. But how would it work in the South, more sensitive areas like Asia, Latin America, or Africa? This type of question the Igarape Institute has been asking. So in 2013, we started a project called Smart Policing. And inside that project, we created Copcast, a mobile application, open source, to track police officers' activities on the ground. And we are testing it in Brazil and South Africa. The way it works is really simple. Each officer is going to have a login, and after he is connected to the app, he's going to attach the phone to their vests, and the app starts executing 3 core functions. First, it sends the real-time location to a server. Second, it starts recording the video and the audio of everything happening around. And third, by demand, it can start live streaming the video to a web interface, where only authorized commanders can access and check what's going on in real time. And through that interface, also the commander can check the previous histories of locations and videos from each officer, using that information for criminal cases or just improve the operational side. The way we have been testing in Rio could not be more interactive. We have been testing inside low-income communities, in Brazil known as favelas, and we have the help of the police there. These are very complex scenarios, and a lot of times there are no roads, so the only way of patrolling is by foot. So the officers go, they test the app, they give us the feedback, we upgrade the tool, and test it again. Reminding you that it is open source, so it's very adaptable to different needs. For instance, a few months ago, the firemen from the south of Brazil contacted us, and they wanted to try out the tool. So they just checked out the code, they customized it to their own needs, and started piloting. It was really simple. Cape Town is another rich scenario where we have been testing the tool. We are testing with the traffic police. So instead of placing the phone attached to their vests, they decided to attach the phone to the dashboard of the car. So what they created was a very cheap CCTV with GPS system for every vehicle they have. We also know that this project raises a lot of questions regarding transparency, security, surveillance, and we want to trigger that debate. We have been consulting with civil liberty groups and trying to find the balance between transparency and the privacy of individuals. Law enforcement is changing, and we want to take part of it. And we know this is just a tool, and it's not going to solve all the problems, but we do believe that technology can help make cities safer. So if you guys are interested in the project, come and talk to me after the presentation or get into our website. Thank you.